Today I want to recreate Lady Gaga's hairstyle from the Grammys Award red carpet. This big show was yesterday, and today I want to repeat this perfect look. So she has middle part, flat flat roots, some loose waves, and some sides it was like some twist, right? And also she had some decoration at the back, like a crown area, yeah, and she had this kind of decoration. So let's try to recreate this stunning look. Let's begin. So first of all, I want to do some curls. I'm starting from the bottom. Just grab some part of hair, clip this hair here. And I need to do soft waves. I'm going to do like a twist. I'll show you. Twist, so pull twist. Like a pull and twist, and flat and twist, flat and twist. I need a kind of loose waves. So flat twist, just maybe. I'm going to move a little bit my mannequin head. I don't have a picture somehow. I cannot see what you see. So flat and twist, flat and twist, flat and twist. So I need to get soft, loose waves. That's why I use this technique. And I just leave it. And curl next section. And brush it out. So now I'm going to do the twist, side twist. It's a half up, half down. So first of all, I need to do so straight. Middle part. Clip it. So now I'm going to do twist. So I do kind of mark where I should twist it, yeah, and for secure this style, I need to do some base. And other side also. So now I'm going to twist it, this hair. So, and second side. Twist it and secure it with bobby pins. So I have my twist. And now I'm going to put some decoration. I'm going to put these nice red ribbons and secure it just inside in my twists. Okay, she is ready. This kind of look we got today, and it was recreation, right? It was recreation from Lady Gaga's look, Hairstyle, from Grammys Awards red carpet. If you like it, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.